Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Odoo. Odoo is the famous website to manage your projects, and even you can manage your all kind of business here. So you can see all the applications and categories available here. So you can select according to your choice. So what we need to do, we are just create an account. Just simple type your name here and also select your email and select your company name. Like I am typing the random name here. You can add your cell phone number. You can also change your country code. After this, here you can choose the employees. Simply click here, and here you can change the primary interest. Now click on start now. So when you click on start now, you have to wait for a few seconds. Here you can see the welcome logo here. Now simply we have successfully created our account. Now building your project, it will take some time. So after this, you can see our website is uploading. Yes, here you can see the project apps and settings and all these options. Simply click on apps. Now here you can install apps according to your choice. You have multiple apps here, but I already selected the project app. So simply here you will create a project according to it. Simply type the project name here. I want to manage warehouse products. Simply I type this, just click on create project. Now here you can see there are many sections. You can simply use the add button to click on add. Just here you can see the examples which kind of layout you want to add here. So simply customer feedback, all kind of templates available here. So you can use it for your projects. So simply I select this one which I needed, and after selecting this you can see we will click on this button, and now here you can see our complete template is uploaded. So there are many sections available here. Just click on this plus button. We are creating an example for you. Here you can type your new order like jeans. Assign here, you can assign the members if you have already added. Simply click on add button. You can also add many orders here. So here you can add the material source. So you can also select the template and add sections according to your requirements. Simply I am clicking on manufacturing and type the random name here. Just click on add. Now here click on assembling and just type the random text here. So you can see we are completing all the sections one by one. So in this way you can do it. Now click on delivered, and here you can also add the random name. So this is just for example to make you understand how to completely use Odoo. So after this you can see we have clicked on edit. You can also add more section if you want, and you can also select the templates you want to add for your relevant section. So finally after this just click on create, and now wait for a few seconds. So here you can see all of list of our sections and simple projects. So simply go back. Here you can see apps option is available. You can also add any app here, like I am adding the sales app here. So now when you click on install, it will take some time. You can also read this notification. Just click on confirm. Just you can see the sales app is being installed. So finally you can see the sales app is installed. Click here, just click on create. So in this way you can also manage your sales here. So this is how you can use Odoo by selecting your relevant app according to your business or project. So this is very simple way to use Odoo.